My name is Money. I drive a 2021 Polaris slingshot. After looking online for years, I wanted to mount a flag on my slingshot. But I was gonna mount it right here. It looked kind of tacky. So I found something online a couple of weeks ago, which is called a Tusk quick release. It's made for motorcycle, ATVs, and UTVs. But I found a way to mount it on my slingshot. This is what I did. I went to Lowe's. And found this bracket. It's like 2 by 1.5. It comes with 2 holes. One hole is like a 1/4 inch. The other hole is a 1/4 inch. But what I did with this top hole, I drilled a 9/16 hole in here, so it can fit the quick release. Here's mine. I painted mine blue. Each slingshot, each roll bar has a M6 6mm hole already threaded in the slingshot. So what I did, I screwed this bracket on here. And I used a ratchet, which was 11mm, tighten it down. Make sure it's straight. And the Tusk quick release come with this bracket here slides off. It comes with a nut, a lock washer, and a flat washer. All those got to come off before you put it into the hole. How you do is slide that through that 9/16 hole that you just drilled. Okay, what you would do next, you put the flat washer on, the lock washer, and then the nut. After all that's done, you're gonna need a 3/4 inch, either open end wrench or socket wrench. Just tighten it down. Try not to over tighten it. Then you can put the Tusk sleeve back on. Make sure, don't tighten it all the way, because you're gonna have to put your fiberglass rod in there. These fiberglass rods come with 5/16 or 1/4 inch. Also, the Tusk quick release come with a 5/16 or 1/4 inch. So I went with a 5/16 because it's more stronger. You put that in there. When you put it in there, you tighten it up. See, it's not going nowhere. Okay. I'm gonna take it back out. This is what I did. I ordered these flags here from Amazon, which is 11 by 16. I know a lot of y'all out there not cowboy fans. Sure hate it. But what I did, it comes with this top on here when you get it. Because these flags are made for vehicle windows. So I cut the top off, Pull this off. You ain't gonna need this. Throw it away. And on that fiberglass rod I was showing you, they come in 36 inches, up to 6 feet. Mine came 36. I cut it down to 25. Then I went on Lowe's and ordered these white end caps, 5/16. I put that on there. Then I went to Lowe's and bought these washers. They are 5/16. They came black. I painted them primer gray, then I painted them white. They will go on here like this. Then I took a zip tie excuse me. I took a zip tie so it wouldn't come off. I tighten that. Get you some snips. Just cut the end. Then I ran it through the flag, or I took that rod off, just to keep it up, just to keep it flush. So I took 2 more of those black washers that I painted white. I slid it on here. And another one of those end caps that I told you that I bought from Lowe's, that I put up top of the fiberglass rod, I cut it. And I put that on the bottom rod and I pulled it down flush, just to keep the flag in. And put another zip tie. You can use some pliers to tighten it if your fingers ain't strong enough. Then I just snipped off the end again. And that's the finished product. Then I slid it into the quick disconnect. Like I say, you can cut yours. You can leave them 36 inches, but I cut mine 25. I didn't want it too high. Cause I think driving on the highway, if you're going like 65, 70, I wouldn't use these on the highway because the flag might fray, rip. It's good for riding around in the city when you're driving like 35, 45 miles per hour. Is good. But one good thing about these, if you don't want to drive on the highway, you just turn this, pull it right out. Throw them on in your slingshot on the floorboard. I hope y'all love the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I know, like I say, I know a lot of y'all out there ain't no cowboy fan, but don't hate, like the video. Thank you for joining in, and go Cowboys.